You're hurt. Oh, striking at your shadow. It sees your shadow and thinks you're too close. There you go. It's not good.